Is this thing on?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when they...
Hey y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. I am getting myself together for the afternoon. So I have to get ready to take Sky to a birthday party, which is really weird because his child's birthday was like back in August. So not understanding why I need to take her to a birthday party in December when the birthday party is in August. Anyways, Cam has like a thing at his school, so I need to go to the grocery store in a little bit and like get something for that. So I'm probably just gonna run in and grab a couple things. I am making some buffalo, so I'm gonna be making a buffalo chicken dip and grabbing some tortilla chips, and then there's gonna be a couple other dips. So this is our like Christmas holiday party. So hopefully I'm caught up with like all of the other behind the scene things that have been going on since, you know, December 1st through now. So if I'm not, oh well. So I'm gonna pick some stuff up for that when I head out. I also need to stop and get a gift card for his teacher, and then also a gift card for her teacher. So I think I'm gonna do Guadalajara for her teacher, and then his teacher just moved into his first own apartment. So I'm gonna get him something like probably home goods since I'll be close near there. Anyways, I am gonna get ready to get up and get myself together. I got my washer and stuff going. So check back with you guys soon. Okay, so it is 5:16. We're in the car. I'm gonna take me and Sky up to McDonald's really quickly just to grab some food so that she can have dinner before we go. Cam's at home with Chuck, so therefore I don't have to worry about feeding him, but I have to feed her first. Otherwise she won't eat until about 7:30, because there's no telling if they'll have food at the party or not. So I definitely want to make sure, you know, that she's fed. So, see you guys. I can drive.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have made it to jump, and this birthday party is how many kids that's here. Alright, so just got back in the car from the birthday party. I am gonna head to either Food Lion or, you know, who really knows. Okay, so we ended up at Walmart. I don't know where. Came in here to get a Duplin one. I think I'm gonna get white single.
What kind of tea?
Alright, so I'm down in Walmart. Hopefully I can show you guys really quickly once I get home and in the house, because I only got 3 reusable bags full of stuff of what I got. So tomorrow I'm making buffalo chicken dip. So I got stuff to make that, and then a couple of snacks for the kids for the 2 weeks that we are out. Alright, so I got these Tabanero original hot sauce. Just this one. And then I got the Kinder's hot sauce. This is fire roasted jalapeno. And then this one is a teriyaki sauce, teriyaki with sesame and ginger. So not all are hot, but I think these two are hot. This one is just a teriyaki sauce. And then I got the 8-cup value pack of strawberry jello, the 2-pack of cinnamon rolls. I got the oak leaf sweets strawberry rose, as well as the oak leaf Pinot Grigio. I got the Duplin white sangria, and then the Welch's sparkling white grape juice cocktail and the red grape cocktail. I also got 1 bar of cream cheese, and then a 2-pack, or it might be 3, of chicken breast for $7.98. This is what I will need for part of that buffalo chicken dip. And then I got some milk chocolate chips, Takis. These are the intense nacho, non-spicy things. I didn't like the chips. I think I like them like that. And then Sky found some holiday vanilla Christmas tree ice cream bars. These are vanilla ice cream bars with milk chocolate coating in the shape of a Christmas tree. All right, so then I got the Fritos flavor twist honey barbecue chips. Sky likes these. And then I picked up some pretzel sticks, sharp cheddar cheese for the buffalo chicken dip, some kettle cooked original potato chips for Cam to take for this orchestra thing, celebration tomorrow, some double stuffed Oreos, some goldfish, baked colored goldfish, 2 packs of fruit snacks by Betty Crocker. We got the Disney Princess ones, so a 10-pack, and then we also have the 10-pack of the Spider-Man. I also got the family size sugar cookie toast crunch, and if you shop in Walmart, there is a coupon on the front to save $1. I didn't even realize it. I don't even care. Picked up 2 packs of socks. These were $1. Hello Kitty and Ariel. I bought these for Sky. Like I said, just $1. Why not? I did pick me up a sweater. I think this is. It might be a shirt. Then again, I feel like it is a sweater just because of how it's made. It says Very Merry Mama, and I just will pair it with a pair of gingerbread leggings tomorrow. I also have Hidden Valley Ranch, and then I also have Texas Pete hot sauce. Those 2 I will also need for the buffalo chicken dip, and then just a little small thing of eggnog and some Nutella Be Ready crispy wafers filled with Nutella, hazelnut spread with cocoa. Happy Friday, y'all. Oh my God, look at my head. That just tells you, like yesterday I put my hair up in a bun 3 times and it just kept falling down eventually. Anyways, I'm in the kitchen this morning really quickly. I went ahead and put all of the things that I needed for that buffalo chicken dip into my lunchbox really quickly. So I pulled out my little mini crock pot and I just have to get the ingredients out. All right, so I left everything literally in here that I would need from last night coming from Walmart. I'm gonna wash that chicken off really quickly and then shred all of this stuff up. I'm only putting in 2 pieces of chicken, so that 3rd piece of chicken, or I guess the other 2 pieces, they're just gonna sit in the refrigerator and I will do something with those. Thankfully, I don't have to bring lunch today because lunch is being provided to us. I have tried this place that the food is being provided to us back in August when we went for our training at the high school. So it was actually really good, but it was spicy because it is like a Mediterranean type of thing. So I need to wash this pan out and a little small crock pot out that I had meatballs in the other day. So that I can use it because I'm gonna take it with me too. All right, so here's my little small crock pot. Literally, like, this thing was our first crock pot. I like keeping this one compared to my bigger one because this one I can just easily take with me. So I'm gonna take this with me, have it already prepared and ready. And when I come back in from taking Cam to the bus, I'm just gonna literally put this thing on low, let it cook for 3 to 4 hours. I'll shred the chicken up and everything else. And yeah. And then that way later, really all I'll need to do is just like heat it up at my coworker's house. All right, so I washed off the 3 pieces of chicken. Like I said, this is my smaller one, so it does still break up even though it's smaller. I'm gonna get ready to toss in that block of cream cheese. You can also choose to do this on the stove if you want to, and if you do, you'll use a large pan, place the frozen or whatever thawed out chicken breast in it, cover it with water and boil it on high, and then that will take about 20 minutes, and then you'll put everything in the crock pot like already shredded up and just let it you'll just let it heat in a crock pot for about like 30 minutes to an hour. But I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. Everything's getting slow cooked for 3 to 4 hours. I'll shred it up at work. There we go. All right, so I'm adding in 1 cup of hot sauce, 1 cup of ranch, and 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese to our mixture here. All right, there we have it. I'm just gonna put my lid on it and pull this back up so that nothing happens to it on the way to work. And I'll probably run out and put it in the car in a minute, and I can just literally hold it just like this with no problem. All right, and I'm taking 2 forks with me from my house because we don't have forks to shred stuff up. So we have sporks. But anyways, all right, so I'm gonna let that do its thing. Yeah. Crockpot buffalo chicken dip on the way. Anyways, today for us in kindergarten is pajama day, so I'm gonna go grab my PJs real quickly. I'll show you guys what PJs I'm putting on for today. And then we also have school-wide morning meetings. So I have on my new shirt that they gave us at our school. Our motto is we try our best. So I do have an outfit that would go, pair of PJs that would go good with this. So I'm trying to go and get to that really, really quickly. All right, so here's the pair of pajamas that I bought back in October. That will go really well with this shirt, and of course something that's gonna keep me warm outside this morning. So I'm just gonna put this over top of this shirt, and also just wear my jacket with it. So yeah. All right, so here is the outfit. I just paired it with some cheetah shoes of mine. Like I said, it's our last day and I really can care less about what I look like. All right, so I'm fully dressed, hair is done. I've brushed my teeth, I have some earrings on, whatever. Just be like I have clothes on. So here are the pajamas, and then like I said, I have on my school shirt. What I'm gonna do is throw that crock pot on at work later. So probably what will end up happening is me putting all of this into a separate video of what happens throughout today when kindergarten is making gingerbread houses, and then also us setting that up. We also have school-wide morning meeting, and that's when the parents come to that as well. And then we're also sitting with our book buddies, and it is cold outside. Also, we have lunch being brought to us today for our last day, and then basically what will roll out on the 18th is the weekly vlog of like catching you guys up with what's been going on behind the scenes, because I just been having to like get content together really quickly. Anyways, and then of course the staff party tonight and our white elephant party, kindergarten style. So I will see you guys in the next vlog, and it will just be picked up from here.